Every person deserves to grow and live in a healthy environment. But the reality for millions of people today is far, far away from this. Our hurting planet is leaving us sick, poor, and weak. But it can be different. Dreams can take flight in the most unexpected places. If we work together, like a grand orchestra, we can create a different future for ourselves and the planet, where each instrument plays its part. Each melody, each harmony and drum beat, all working in rhyme. Together, we can achieve the future we want and return to harmony with nature.